by Boyd Funk, Al Hernandez, also McGregor, The Swag Shop, Foxwood Home and Garden Bakery, Benedict Quality Paint, Bowtie Farm, The Fan with Mitch and Debbie.
Keymore's our flagger here. You probably noticed him out front. How many first-time drivers do we have here tonight? Okay, quite a few. So our events kick off tonight with the slow car trophy dash. Heat races for all the cars. So as soon as the trophy dashes are done, I need all the cars to get lined up in line, and we're going to run you out 6 at a time. 6 cars, 6 laps. We'll get through all the cars, heat races, all the pickup heat races for the guys. Same thing, 6 pickups, 6 laps. At the end of these heat races, if somebody wants to get in some freebie stuff, after the cars are done, if we have an odd number in the last race, so let's say we only have 4 cars for the last race, if there's some of you guys that would like to stick around for a free non-paid race, kind of hang out in the back and I will fill you in. And after that, we have the Australian Pursuit heat races. Has anybody that's doing Australian Pursuit that has not raced one before today? Okay. So what we do on that is we space out 6 vehicles evenly around the arena. Dick will be out there. The first one comes in, he'll get you almost all the way around the track. Watch him, he's gonna stop you. Then he's gonna stop the 2nd car, 3rd car, 4th car, 5th car, 6th car, all the way around so you're evenly spaced. And then once he likes where you're at, he's gonna point the green flag at you with the rounder up on the handle, and he's going to check that you're ready. When he nods at you, you nod back if you're ready. He's going to check each and every driver. Once he gets an okay from all 6 of you, he's just going to drop the green flag. This race starts from a dead stop. So pay attention, because as soon as the green flag drops, the race begins. Once you are passed by another vehicle, you are out of the race. If you are passed, then pull into either the center of the arena, and don't run over Dick or Gary Pierce. Gary, raise your hand. He's the pit guy out here. Do not run into either of these 2 guys that are out there. Okay, cars need to be out tonight. We need trucks, trailers, cars, everything out of the pits tonight, because combines come in here first thing in the morning. So anything that's still in here in the morning is going to get forklifted out. No guarantees they'll still be on the wheels.
Oh, there we go. Michelle knows how to do it. Pop all the tires. That'll get them. Little bump, little nut, little bump on the inside, trying to get through. Uh-oh. Kristen Smith running into an issue. All the tires. Stop it down, you guys. Stop it down. Somebody hammer on them brakes. There you go. Here we go. Green flag flying. Hey, hanging on to that. gets a bump from the 17 and drives right around it. 43 of Jake DeWall now in second place. And your winner, number 17, Morgan. Doesn't like the setup. Ah, he likes it. Let's go racing, boys.
They like the smoky sauce, but over there in old Memphis, a dry rub ribs balls.
The folks down in Georgia, they can't pick up their mind. You can give it to them sweet or spicy, and they'll say that tastes all right.
And you might think the South Carolinians are just a little bit off. Would you believe their barbecue's yellow with a mustard sauce?
Pork shoulder is the cut of choice in Mississippi, and they pride themselves on barbecue that's totally vinegary.
In Louisiana, them Cajuns, they like to spice it up. They like to spice it up.
This is our review